about the file processing in Python. For that I have chosen a notepad file. So I am going to create a notepad file to explain the file processing in Python. Inside the notepad file I am going to give some text. I am saving the file temporarily in my desktop with the file name test. So I am saving the file as test. Now to explain about the file processing in Python, I am going to open a Python ideal environment. I have given a Python program code. Inside this program code, I have to give the file name of my notepad file. So I am going to open my notepad file by right clicking the properties. Here I am choosing the location of the file. I am copying this location, and inside the Python ideal environment I am copying this file name. In order to make Python easier to convert it into a raw string, I am giving / inside the path name. Here I wish to mention that there are two types of paths, absolute path and relative path. Absolute path will start from the root node. The relative path will have the partial path name. For example, if we are saving the file inside our Python module itself, we can give a relative path, or else we have to give the entire absolute path. Now coming to this Python code, I have given the file name. Here I am opening the file. I am going to read the file. Now I am going to give a input statement where it will accept a single character from the user. So I am going to check whether the character occurs how many number of times in my notepad file. Now if I am going to run this program, it will ask the enter the character to be searched. Now I am going to give a character A. So the program will display A appears 9 times in file. If I am going to run the same program, now if I am giving small letter A, the result will come like A appears 0 times in file. Hope you all know that capital A is different from small a. The ASCII code may vary for all the characters. Now this file access the file from the notepad, and it is reading the text, it is getting the character, and it displays how many number of times the character appears in this file. So the front end is Python code, the back end input is from the notepad. So this is a simple file processing program in Python where we can access any type of file from Python with the backend any type of files. Thank you.